Hey all, Jose here. Before we start this video, I just want to apologize because I kept saying Mars Roamer, but it's Mars Adventure Gear is the company who did this. So I apologize for that, but I'll make sure everything is linked correctly in the description below. Super big thanks to Mars Adventure Gear for sending over this Expedition bed rack. And now on with the video. Hey everyone, Jose here from Rivian Tracker, and behind me I have my R1T where I've installed the Mars Roamer Expedition bed rack for the R1T. Huge thanks to Mars Roamer for sending it over so I could play with it, install it, and talk you through it and tell you if this is a good fit for your Rivian R1T. So this is the bed rack that Mars Roamer makes. It is called the Expedition bed rack. They make a roof rack as well that can go on top of the R1S, but this is the R1T bed rack, and it mounts super easy. It has a mole panel here on the side, on both sides, so you can mount accessories. Subtle branding on the side here, cutouts for the holes so you can still come in here, press the button to be able to open up your gear tunnel doors. And then over here on this side, you also have a cutout so you can get to your tonneau and open the bed of your truck as well. So super easy to get into that. Let me show you what we have here. So this mounts in the pre-existing holes of the where your Rivian bed mount is. So exactly where you would put the cargo bars. There's just two bolts here, super duper easy to do on the front and on the back. They're super sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. And then you have these racks. You get 3 of them. I've only installed 2, but there are 3 of them, and you can mount them pretty much anywhere you like along a plethora of holes that you can choose from on both sides. The nice thing about this is you got 3 areas here where you can mount things in. You got this little rubber piece in the middle here that you can take off or remove, and it pretty much accepts all the standard type of accessories that would fit on the Rivian cargo bars, which is super nice. So it's very universal, which means I was able to mount my MaxTrack boards directly on here using the same equipment that I would use for the Rivian cargo bars. So as you can see there, it's pretty easy. So this is mounted on here as well. And you can see right there, no additional hardware required. Like I said, you get 3 of these bars included when you buy this, so you can definitely mount another one here and do some more. You can, again, mount them however you like. These are easily mountable with just some bolts on the bottom, as you can see here. Boop. The whole process to set this up and install the Expedition bed rack on the truck literally took no more than maybe 20 minutes to do. So super duper easy to get it on, and it looks good, not gonna lie. Now, I don't have any accessories to put on right now on the mole panels here, but I can definitely grab some more stuff and put it on there, but I think it just looks really nice. Like I said, there is a version of this that can also mount on the roof of your R1T, as well as the R1S. It was offered to me if I wanted to get it, but wife didn't want it on her R1S, which is fine. But huge thanks to Mars Roamer for sending this over so I could review it for you guys and show you what it looks like. I will drop a link below on how to get one for yourself, and you can support Rivian Tracker using our affiliate link if you're interested in that. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Super easy to install, no noise, no vibration. It's solid materials and easy to remove. It comes with all the necessary bolts as well as the wrenches and tools needed to mount, so you don't even need anything yourself to have there. So that is what that looks like. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this. They also make accessories for the Cybertruck as well as other vehicles. And if there's something that they don't make that you think would be a good fit for their brand, let them know, contact them. They're always looking to expand their product selection for Rivian, Tesla, etc. So that's what you got. That's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video walking around the Mars Roamer Expedition bed rack for the Rivian R1T. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one. See you soon.